You will hear the phrase risk management myriad times in your trading life. Understanding what that means and how to use MT4 to help protect your investment is probably the most important thing you will learn as a beginning trader. Your broker will have position size calculators on their website, and I highly encourage you to use them. There is, however, a very easy way to determine your risk by using a little trick with MT4 without doing the calculations. I've found this pennant on the 15-minute chart of pound-yen. My plan is to go short off this upper trend line. I want my stop loss here just above the swing high and take my profit down here near previous support. My stop loss is roughly 20 pips above my planned entry point, my take profit roughly 70 pips, and I want to know what my position size would be for this trade if I were to risk, say, 1% of my account. So, we can practice this setup on a clean part of the chart very far away from current price action. Right-click on the chart and select Trading, New Order. On the order ticket, select Pending Order and Sell Stop. Set your volume to 1. This is 1 lot or 1 mini lot or 1 micro lot depending on your account and your broker. Enter a price that is far away from your current price and enter a stop loss roughly 20 pips higher. Click Place on the order ticket. On the chart, if we mouse over the stop loss line, a pop-up box tells us that within a 21 pip stop loss, my risk would be £150. This is a £10,000 demo account, so my risk on this trade would be 1.5% of my account. So my desired 1% risk divided by 1.5 is 0.67. So that is my new volume or position size for this trade. While we are at it, click and drag the red stop loss line until you see 10 pips. The figures on the left of the line show us our order number and risk in pips and the account currency. I see that 10 pips equates to £71.83. So my risk per pip on future pound-yen trades is £7.18 per pip. Do this for your account and make a note. This is an important figure. This figure will be true on all pairs where the yen is the quote currency, so you will need to repeat the process for other quote currencies. Once you are finished with this exercise, just go to your terminal, find the pending sell stop order and delete it. Let's look at another, gold or XAU-USD. This time there is plenty of space above my current price, so I will set up a buy stop. My entry price is $1,231 per ounce, and my stop loss is $1,230 per ounce. So, my pop-up box shows me that my risk per pip is £8.22. So I can make my calculations accordingly. Again, be sure to delete the pending order. Okay, let's try one. We want to place a sell stop here on $yen, and our stop loss is 40 pips higher than our entry price. This is a £10,000 demo account, and I only want to risk 1% or £100 on this trade. So that's £2.50 per pip. We know that our volume of 1 costs us £7.18 per pip, so we divide the £2.50 by £7.18, and we get 0.35 as a position size. We set up the pending sell stop, and we see that our risk is, in fact, £100. We may modify these figures simply by dragging and dropping the lines on the chart. If I want to add a take profit, I simply find the pending order on my terminal, double-click, and set it here. Again, we may modify this line on the chart. Let's try it with one-click trading. Again, we know the figure for JPY as the quote currency, so we'll go with what we know. One-click trading comes up and we ensure that the volume is 0.35, as we also want a 40 pip stop loss above the swing high on this pound-yen short. We click sell and the order has been filled. We need to set our stop loss and take profit, so we find the order in our terminal and double-click. We set our stop loss for 40 pips and our take profit for 100 pips and click Modify. Again, we can confirm that our risk is £100 on this trade. To review, in this lesson we covered an easy way to calculate risk with MT4, how to determine your cost per pip with any quote currency, how to set your stop loss and take profit, how to determine your position size, and how to safely use one-click trading. In the next lesson, we will look at how to use the MT4 terminal.